students, welcome in this YouTube channel. Let's do this question. This is taken from class 10 chapter 9 some applications of trigonometry. 10th question is, two poles of equal heights are standing opposite each other on either side of the road which is 80 meter wide. From a point between them on the road, the angle of elevation of the top of the poles are 60 degree and 30 degree respectively. Find the heights of the poles and the distance of the point from the poles. So see, in this question, two poles of equal heights are given on either side of the road. So see here, I am drawing here a road. Suppose this is a road and two poles, one pole is here in this side and second pole is on the other side of the road. This is road in between passing on. Okay. So these poles are of equal height. So suppose first pole name is AB and second pole is CD and both are of equal heights. So let their heights be h meter each. So it is also h meter. Now it is said that the road is 80 meter wide. So this full road is 80 meter wide. AC is the road which is 80 meter wide. Now it is written that from a point between them on the road, any point we are to take here on the road. Suppose this is P point on the road, and what is said that from a point between them on the road, the angle of elevation of the top of the poles are 60 degree and 30 degree respectively. So from here, angle of elevation of this pole is given and angle of elevation of this pole is given, top of these poles. So suppose this is the ray of sight to see this top of this pole from point B. This is angle of elevation and this angle of elevation is suppose 60 degree. And now if you see here, if you see this top of this pole from point P, then this is ray of sight, this is horizontal. So this is angle of elevation which is given 30 degree, right? So we need to find out the height of the poles, means h we need to find out, and the distances of the point from the poles. So of this point, what is the distance of this point from this pole AB and what is the distance of this point from pole CD, we need to find out. It means AP and PC we need to find out, and H also we need to find out. Suppose AP is X. Suppose AP is X meter, then PC will be 80 minus X meter because full length AC is 80 meter. So if I assume AP as X meter, then it will be left PC 80 minus X meter. Right. So very simple. This is what we do. We'll find out the value of h in both the right angled triangle. First of all, right angle triangle ABP, we'll find out the value of h, and in right angle triangle CDP we will also find out the value of h, and then we will equate the value of h in both the equations and then we will get the value of x. Now if x value is there with us, we'll fill this value in the previous one, any of the equation, we'll get the value of h also. So again I repeat, in first equation or in first right angle triangle also or in second right angle triangle, we'll find the value of h with the help of t ratios, and then we'll equate these h on both sides from these two equations and then we'll get the value of x. So let's write the question and start it. So it's written, let in figure AB is equal to CD is equal to h meters. Say this is let height of these pole is equal given, so let it is h meter. Are two poles of equal heights given. Let P is a point of observation here. So angle BPA is 60 degree, angle DPC is 30 degree given. Now AC is 80 meter wide road given, right? Okay, width of this road. Now let AP is x meter, then PC will automatically be 80 minus x meter. So in right angle triangle ABP, now we'll find out h. So we'll write AB over AP, that is P over B, that is tan 60 degree. So AB is h over AP is x, is tan 60 is root 3. So from here you can find out h is equal to root 3x. So this is equation number 1. So now what we do, we'll find out the value of h in the second equation also. So in right angled triangle CDP, here also CD or DC over PC also, this is perpendicular over base, that is a tan of 30 degree, right? So CD is h and PC is 80 minus x and tan 30 is 1 by root 3. Okay, so h will be equal to this 80 minus x will go here in the numerator, so 80 minus x over root 3. So here we are having both h is this, so we can equate these two equations, equation 1 and equation 2, and get the value of x. So equating 1 and 2, this is under root 3x is equal to here 80 minus x over root 3. Now we'll do cross multiply. Root 3 into root 3 is 3x is equal to 80 minus x. So this x will come to this side, it becomes 3x plus x is equal to 80. 4x is equal to 80, so x is 20. So x is 20. We'll fill the value of x here in one number equation. We'll get the value of h also. So put x is equal to 20 in 1, right? So it will be h is equal to root 3 into x. X is 20, so it becomes 20 root 3. The value of h is 20 root 3. So now we can find out AP distance also and PC distance also. So AP distance is here x, that is 20 meter, and PC distance is 80 minus x, that is 20. So 80 minus 20 is 60 meter. So you can write, so height of poles is 20 meter, right? And the distance of point from the pole is you can say distance is 20 meter, AP is 20 meter, and this is PC is 60 meter. Again, height of the pole is here 20 root 3, not 20 only, it is 20 root 3. So you can write the answers like this way. Height of poles is 20 root 3 meter, and the distance of the point from the pole is 20 meter and 60 meter. So this way we will solve this question. Thanks for watching.